I'm a founder of Ukay Tabay, and yeah, I mean, Bicon is a nationwide event, and it's basically an experience for our merchants to be able to be part of, and hopefully we're also an experience for Bicon.
Indeed. We are so excited to have Ukay Tabay at Bicon this year. How about you, Sir G from Reverb?
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm G, the founder of Reverb, and then I manage some local artists here, specifically si Alvino Dueza, Cali Hoods, Felony, and we've been doing local events and DJ events around the city. For this year's Bicon will be the community partner for music. That's why you can hear, if you're familiar with the song, we're partnering with Bicon. We're very excited to perform for everyone, and at the same time learn, of course, the culture and ways for creators, and hopefully we'll be able to learn a thing or two for our artists.
Definitely.
And then I was part also of Bicon 2022 lineup, and I'm really excited this Bicon year kay another batch of creators, so another nasadling mga kabuang and all, and collaborations.
Yes!
Kulbaan man Scooby. Hi everyone, my name is Isa Perez Gandyongko. I am one of the palakpakan mo sa mga baby. So I am with Doc Xavier, and on behalf of our President Doisky, who is naglaglaan somewhere in the world, and we are the co-founders of the Cebu Creators Circle. We created this organization in order to collaborate, of course, to educate, and what's naman guys? Ang core goals is really to bring the content creator community together so we can all inspire and help uplift each other, diba? So, palakpakan, diba?
Everyone! Louder the energy! Perfect!
And it feels like a full circle moment kay I was also at the start of Bicon. I did the first run, the digital run, and then when we came back after the pandemic, yun akong gihimog tiguang kay gihimo na ko ninyo behind the scenes, di ba? Pero laban gihapon, we are so excited, especially because we got to bring in more influencers, of course, so that they can really hone their skills and meet other collaborators. So,
yeah.
Maraming salamat, RGC. Charot!
Thank you, Mother. With talent manager Sarah Delmar. Let's welcome them on stage, guys. A round of applause. Joining them as well is Jackie. Jackie, please stand up para ma-recognize ka sa itong Bacon. Hello, thanks, Jackie.
Family day.
Oh, shit! Joining Good Influence Talents as well are our event partners from Cebu Creators Circle. The founders of Cebu Creators Circle, Isa Perez and Doc Xavier Solid. Welcome, welcome. Shortcut. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So guys, starting from Good Influence, please introduce yourselves and let us know what we can expect from you guys at Bicon.
Alright, sige. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Chen Splenios. I'm the founder and talent manager of Good Influence. We are a Bisaya talent management. One of the all our creators kay sila Kobe, Katik, Zeke, Jayat, si Davo Conyo, si Jackie, si Julia Quijano, si Mary Famor, and Pats Pinote. So we are really excited for Bicon because actually I was before I launched Good Influence, I was also part of Bicon. So I'm here to participate na as bringing my talents with me. So we're really looking forward for collaboration. We're really looking forward. The talents are really looking forward for the fans that they'll na ilahang meet and ila-ila. And then also from our end on the business side food, we are I'm very excited na to meet also other brands na pwede ma-collaborate not just with our talents but also with everyone because of course we're here to uplift the entire industry.
Kailan pala ko, skip lang ni Sarah. I've been ako speak in behalf of since Isan ako. With a pleasant afternoon to everyone. So I am Doc Save. So I am also one of the co-founders of Cebu Creator Circle. So I am so happy. Abi to pakpak sa DIY. Mura ka ng fortune. Isang bagsak naman dyan. May makahatang jacket ka na. Okay. So yeah, anyway, I'm so happy because yeah, I was part also on 2019 to first BICON, correct? 18 DI, diba?
Malalaman sa aton trivia questions later.
Oh, so may medyo na utana ko.
Yeah.
So kung makadaog galing mo, tagay ko. So at 2019, so I was so happy because I was just like one of the creators who just attended and not even part of it. And 2020 and until now, I am part na sa Jico sa BICON. So what Isa shared, so good pa mi sa kanang face-to-face, tapos na make digital in 2020. And I am so happy that BICON right now is like open to the public because everyone is creating contents already. That's why Mr. Ina ni Isa that Cebu Creator Circle is actually here for everyone actually. Not only for the creators, for those who are aspiring creators who want to connect, collaborate also, and to grow with us. So open na good kayo sa tanan. And hopefully with BICON, we can see and we can touch base with other creators.
Chichi,
Honey Deli, Fukirat, Roscoe, Neo, Kimberly, Nissan Nuggets, Nate Sobrang OA, Zozo, Arthur Becky, Renee Dominique, Golda Reserva,
Tito Abdul and Tito Marcy, Riniel the Dancing Guard, and Gardy the Dancing Guard as well. Matt Santiago, Kat and Jean, Juju Mao, Cyrus Jimenez, and po ako nurse.
And the correct answer is...
The correct answer is Zozo, ladies and gentlemen. So Team Red, Team Black, and Team Blue gets the point. And because
Christopher, what happened, Bella Diwata?
Ganahan mo kaya kapilito Diwata pero werewolf siya.
Yes. And naiisulti si werewolf na to.